Get stronger after 60, naturally. Why protein matters after 60. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This loss makes it harder to lift things, walk long distances, and maintain balance. But here's the good news. Protein helps repair and rebuild muscle, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your metabolism active. Think of it as the foundation that keeps your body strong and independent. How to get enough protein. After 60, without shakes or powders. Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness University, where we help you live stronger, longer, and healthier every single day. If you're over 60, there's one nutrient that can make a world of difference in how you move, feel, and age, and that's protein. But you don't need expensive shakes or powders. In this video, we'll show you how to get enough protein from real foods that support your muscles, energy, and independence. Get stronger after 60, naturally. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This loss makes it harder to lift things, walk long distances, and maintain balance. But here's the good news. Protein helps repair and rebuild muscle, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your metabolism active. Think of it as the foundation that keeps your body strong and independent. How much protein do you really need? Most experts recommend that adults over 60 get between 1.0 and 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, around 68 kilograms, aim for roughly 70 to 80 grams of protein daily. But don't worry, you don't have to measure everything. If you include protein in every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you'll likely hit your target naturally. Aim for 70 to 80 grams of protein a day, if 150 pounds. Easy, everyday protein sources. Here are some great whole food sources of protein you can enjoy daily. Eggs, one of the most complete proteins. Fish like salmon or tuna, rich in omega-3s for heart and brain health. Chicken or turkey, lean, low-fat, and versatile. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, packed with calcium and probiotics. Beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa, perfect plant-based options. Nuts and seeds, great for snacking or adding crunch to meals. Simple meal ideas. Here's how to combine those foods for powerful, balanced meals. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Lunch, lentil soup or tuna salad with avocado. Dinner, grilled chicken or tofu with quinoa and veggies. Snack, Greek yogurt with walnuts or a handful of almonds. It's that simple. No shakes, no powders, no problem. So remember, after 60, protein is your best ally for strength, balance, and independence. Every meal is a chance to build a healthier, stronger you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get daily tips from Health and Fitness University. Health and Fitness University, knowledge that keeps you strong.